Uh-huh. So,
Yeah. First, my name is Arvind. This is Julia and
Alexei.
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 Alexei. These guys are from Russia and they came here for visit and थोड़ा सा मैं एक ब्लॉग टाइप में बनाऊंगा एंड आई विल इंट्रोड्यूस एंड इनके बारे में जानने की कोशिश करूंगा और इनसे भी अपनी चीज कुछ बताऊंगा. ओके, लेट्स गो लिटिल बिट.
Let's go far from this ball.
Yeah, this was little bit.
No. Пусть
Yeah.
нажимай, снимай, начинай.
Yeah, so first I will ask, okay?
Okay.
What do you do in Russia, you and Alexei? What is your profession? You work there or you are just influencer?
Uh, we work online.
Online, totally online?
Now only online.
Okay.
Several months ago, we were working. Alexei was a leader of sales department
Yeah.
in a company, and I am a fitness trainer.
Fitness trainer, right,
Yes,
right.
and nutritionologist.
Nutrologist. Okay, I
Yes.
understood. Okay. Then you ask me about me. You ask anything.
Okay, and
Now-
what about you?
Now your turn. Okay. Actually, I just retired from Navy. Navy, you know?
Navy.
Navy means army. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
I just retired and I'm 33-year-old and now I want to become full-time traveler. Full-time. Actually, my wife have many channels, many YouTube channels.
Uh-huh.
She have a million subscribers. So I'm also going and I also want to travel Russia, Ukraine and some other countries all over the world. That's why I also join YouTube.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's a great wish.
Yeah, actually I saw you on YouTube and Insta. That's why I sent a message so that we can communicate, we can exchange our thoughts to each other. That will be good.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
So good. And now your question
Yeah.
to me.
Now, you people come through any travel agency or directly you people come from there? You, yeah. You come through any travel agency?
No.
No.
We come here ourselves.
Ourselves, okay.
Yes.
I heard some travel agency has been blacklisted recently.
Yes. Yes, a lot of Russian people come here.
Yeah.
They live here, and they, I think, do mass in India.
Yeah, yeah.
And India,
Yeah.
I don't know how right to say.
Yeah, I understood,
in
understood.
English, but,
Yeah, understood. Yeah.
India sent such people home.
Okay, yeah. Now visa policy already changed. 3 months you have to exit from India. Yeah.
Yes,
Okay. Then how many days you will be here?
we're here for 2 months.
For
And-
2 months.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. And in 1 month, we will go to Vietnam.
Vietnam, yeah, Vietnam is nice place. Last time I met with Marat, that is from Russia. He's also in Vietnam. Now Vietnam is very flexible for tourists. Yeah, because there is no visa restrictions and all. Am I right? Yeah,
Yes.
I heard.
Yes.
Yeah. So you are living in Mandem or Arambol? Where is your home?
In Morjim.
In Morjin.
In Morjim.
How much you are paying? How much monthly rent?
We pay 22,000.
22,000 per month.
Yes, per month.
Okay.
And extra for
Electricity and water. They are
no,
taking.
water. No,
Water no.
no,
Electricity.
no extra money for water.
Yeah, you are from which city in Russia? Which city in Russia?
We are from Belarus.
Belarus. Okay, nice place.
Belarus.
I know. Belarus, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Russia, Ukraine. These people similar language. Am I right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
In Belarus, where you live?
Alexei from Minsk.
Minsk, yeah.
Minsk is the capital of Belarus.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
And I'm from small town Babruisk,
Yeah.
but 16 years ago,
Ago, you met with
go,
Alexei.
no, I changed my place.
Yeah, you changed your
And
place.
yes, in Russia, in Kaluga,
Okay.
and
Now,
1 year
now you are living in Russia? Yeah,
uh,
Belarus.
Belarus.
Belarus. You and Alexei.
But yes, but we want to live anywhere in the world.
Anyway, I also same thinking. That's why I just so now I want to travel whole the world, and few months I will be in India, then Vietnam, Thailand, and all over the world. Full time travel I want to do. Yeah, this is my hobby now, and I'm using YouTube since 2013. Get this.
Okay.
And what you like in India? What is the one thing only? Tell me one thing. One famous thing.
Climate,
Climate.
sun, sea.
Yeah, that is good. Because there is very cold in your country.
Yes,
That's
very
why.
cold.
Maybe your parents also visited India? Your parents?
We want our parents invite here, but now it's difficult because of money, first of all, of
Yeah.
course, because of their habits of living, and they used to live there in Belarus.
Belarus. Yeah, they
Yeah.
don't want to leave Belarus.
They want
Wow.
because it's they are different than we.
Yeah.
We want to see the world, but they want to have home, to have their friends, to have everything near,
Everything near.
everything that they used to see every day.
Yeah, right. Yeah, where did you learn English? You are speaking very good English. Okay.
Good.
Yeah, very good. Хорошо.
Good English, ребят.
Yeah. English, it doesn't mean you have to just. I can explain to Alexei. That is English. Nothing else. You are explaining very well. Yeah. And what about India's food? Food. Too spicy?
It's spicy. It's
Yeah.
really spicy, but Alexei likes spicy.
My brat like. Yeah.
I like too, but sometimes because like nutritionist,
Nutritionist, yeah.
yes, I can say that sometimes it's not useful for our organize.
Okay. But sometimes you can try.
Yes, and in India, a lot of sweet food.
Yeah, a lot of sweet food.
And I think it's a problem for some people because
Yeah. They can get diabetes also.
yes,
Yeah. And you will live in live only Arambola, or you have another plan to visit another part of India?
we want to visit south of India.
South of India, which place?
I don't know.
You people can come Kerala, Kochi. You have time? Kochi, Kerala.
What is it?
You just, I will send you message. There is a hill, totally hill place. Little bit cold also is there. That is nice place. If you want to come, most welcome. I will be there. I will host you. You, Alexei, most welcome in Kochi, Kerala. A lot of Barkala. You heard Barkala?
Barkala.
No. Okay. Barkala, Kochi, Kerala, nearby places. If you want to come, come. That is South India. South India, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh. These places comes under South India. If you have plan, most welcome. Okay, inform me. Because I am living in South India presently. Actually, I am center part of India, but I have work in South India. So I will be for 4 months in South India. Then I will left. Okay.
Okay. In India, I saw Himalayas.
Himalayas, yeah,
Yeah,
Himalayas.
Himalayas,
You people
yes.
say Himalaya, but Indian always say Himalaya.
Himalaya.
Yeah, Himalaya. That means you people are saying Gi. Am I right? Himalaya. Gi.
Practically.
Practically.
Так, вот. Вот
Yeah. Da.
так. Да. No, thank you.
So,
So you know Russian?
yeah, Russian alphabet. A, B, B, G,
A, B,
J,
B,
J,
G.
E, ikrat, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, K, Ir, Iste, U, F, Kha, Tise, Che, Sa, Ischa, Yordijnak, Magjeknak, A, U, yeah. My kids also understand Russian alphabet. I teach him.
It's very nice.
Yeah. So if you want to go Himalayas, then you have to go to Rishikesh.
Rishikesh.
Yeah.
Rishikesh.
Yeah. That
The capital of yoga.
yeah. If you want to go, you can go there. That side. That is good place. And if you want to, you don't have any plan to visit South Goa.
We have a big plan to visit
But don't have time.
time, yes, time, and we think what will we do next months, and that's why we can't prognosticate for big time
Oh,
further.
yeah, understood. Okay. Then your question. You people why always Russian and Belarus people always live in Rambol and Mandrim? Why?
Because
Because-
here cheap kitchen.
Yeah.
Cheap kitchen and living and houses for rent cheaper than in Morjim, for example.
Yeah. Morjim is cheaper than Rambol, am I right?
No,
No?
Morjim is more expensive.
More expensive.
More expensive.
Okay.
And here crowded, very crowded, and Russian people, I think, are accumulated here
Yes.
in groups.
Groups, yeah,
in
yeah.
groups.
Yeah, like this is it. Mir. Did you visit Mir?
Mir.
Yeah, these people are also famous for Russian peoples.
Yeah, but I don't like Mir, frankly speaking,
You don't-
because we are not about disco.
Ah.
We don't like drink and
Yeah.
smoke, and that's why.
I'm non-drinker, non-smoker. My wife also non-drinker, non-smoker. Okay, so and we are pure vegetarian. Maybe you are eating, but actually we have some issues, some health issue. So we are pure vegetarian now.
So
yeah.
good. But we are not vegetarian because
Your culture is different, I
yes,
can say.
and because we do sport,
Yeah.
and that's why
Yeah.
we eat protein.
Yeah.
Protein.
Yeah. And how old are you?
Сколько тебе
Сколько
лет?
тебе лет?
Лет.
Yeah.
39.
39. 32.
30,
2.
39.
39. You
40.
40.
40.
You are looking younger than me. I'm 33. 33. 30?
33.
33. 33. Yeah.
Like Jesus.
Yeah. So one more thing I want to ask. I have questions in my mobile.
So I have two.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
We can.
Yeah. First you.